Hmm, what could I do to make Genius Home Theater better for 2026? You know what? I got it. This gonna be tight. Okay. While he's doing that, I thought this year one review was in order because it's been a great year thanks to you. But first and foremost, let me thank my wife for giving me the space to share my passion with home theater with you. And I'll add my 3 kids, even though they're older now. Next, of course, are the subscribers, trusting me to deliver great content by hitting that subscribe button and continuing to tune in. I have one request for my subscribers for 2026. Click the bell icon. It's all about that bell in 2026. Okay, with all the niceties out of the way, let's get right to it with the video that gave me the courage to give this a shot. My theater tour was my first video and it gained popularity quickly. I just wanted to share that I was enjoying my hobby in my living room despite all the challenges. And I found out I wasn't alone. So I made a video introducing myself and introducing my space as Genius Home Theater, the channel where home theater and DIY combine. The logo says it all. My creativity is on display. Now, I'm not saying I'm some type of brainiac. I just enjoy sharing my creative thoughts with others. And I love to teach, so I started off easy with banana plugs, every variety. Then I showed you all the parts of a standard audio video receiver. And if you didn't know by now, I'm also handy, so I kicked up the know-how in the next 2 videos, installing bass shakers under the couch using some crafty techniques. I followed that with the method to reroute an electrical outlet to give your subs more power and a bonus hack for defeating speaker or subwoofer hum. Next, I tried my hand at reviewing some products, the first being Sofa Baton X1S. Man, I love that video. I created one of the most comprehensive setup guides for that remote. Let's check it out. We moved on to how to set up a full Dolby Atmos system, complete with a demonstration of how to find the best location for acoustic treatments. When you wanted to know which projector screen material performed better, I compared them, giving you a real-time opportunity to judge for yourself. I wasn't only teaching, I was listening. Now, here's where Genius Home Theater really started to turn it up a notch. 2 of the most creative acoustic panel builds you've ever seen. How do I know? You told me. Whether it was mounting magnets or combining function and fun, you hit the comment section to say bravo. And much love for the encouragement. We are halfway through the year, and at this point, more viewers are recognizing that Genius Home Theater is not just show and tell, it's home theater how to. Less look at what I did and more look at how I did it. We were overcoming everything they said we couldn't do in our living rooms. Next, you asked what my favorite movies were, and I answered, but not with any Dolby Atmos demo list, one list that focused on all the action overhead, and another list that focused on that room shaking bass. With the spin, of course, because that's how I do. By this time, I had built some things and reviewed some things as well, but I hadn't interviewed anybody one-on-one. Audio Advice Live 2025 was the perfect opportunity for me to fill that void. I totally took advantage of the opportunity and created 15 interviews and an additional 12 shorts with some of the industry's leading brands. And I put it all in one playlist. One video and one short every day for 15 days. Now that was an editing marathon and it was tough, but it paid off. It helped the channel reach its first major goal of 1,000 subscribers. And as promised, I gave away my new in the box Harmony Elite remote and a Sofa Baton X1S remote. Now that giveaway was hidden at the very end of that video.
Don't tell nobody, all right? I told them stick around to the end of the video, all right? I told them. So look, I got y'all.
Hey, in my opinion, the best part of some of my videos is at the end. I'll always reward my watch time warriors. So stay to the end. There may be something special there. I quickly went back to what I know best, building stuff. But just when you thought the acoustic panel builds couldn't get any crazier, the mad scientist of sound panels takes it to another level by modifying existing panels to further improve acoustics in this space. And I proved it too, backing up my claims with hard data. Which brings us to the close of the year and my most recent inside look at the plate amp and enclosure of my massive 18-inch JTR subwoofer, ending the year with a bang. 5 product giveaways and 3 tech giveaways in my local community, including a 50-inch Fire TV.
All right, this is a 50-inch Fire TV. 0, 4, 8, 0, 4, 8. You go home, put it in your car. Put it in your car. Go get it, bro. It's yours. Everybody, thank you. This is bigger than I expected, man. Let's do it again next year. What you think?
Yes, sir. Let's do it again. And I forget the number of free digital movie codes given away this year via community posts. Of course, I plan on taking Genius Home Theater to new heights outside of YouTube in the future. But for now, I'm just enjoying teaching, entertaining, and giving back for the love of this hobby. It's never been about the money for me. It's about sharing knowledge and ideas with others. You'll be able to find something useful from these videos 10 years from now. I always say, the smartest student doesn't have all the answers, but he knows where to get the information when he needs it. So make sure you stay plugged in. I'll be posting a new long form video every week, and I usually drop a short within the week between. Join me on Instagram and TikTok to see those shorts first and get the scoop on the upcoming giveaways. And don't forget about the weekly movie digital code giveaway on Saturday. 25, man. So many moments that I can't share them all with you in this video. So I'm glad you're here to be a part of the new moments for 2026. And once again, the bell icon is your portal to all the madness.
This. Hey,
what are you looking at me for? Is on you. Oh, shoot. This is Genius Home Theater. My name is Ron, and I will see you in the new year.